Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and this is a video that I've been doing after a very long time in this way. And the purpose of this video is that I've seen quality control issue videos for the LeEco, and these concerns have been raised by two of my fellow YouTubers, Kiki Ranjit and Ashwin from C4E Tech. And I thought I should also test out my unit. The mic that I'm using is right here, and I place it really close to the screen so that it can probably pick that sound that is apparently coming from this phone. Right now the phone is off, so there is nothing going on, and when I press on this part of the screen, it creates some sort of screeching sound. Listen carefully. You hear that sound? It's also there in the bottom part of the screen, but more pronounced towards the top. It's not on the edges, so it's flexing somewhere in the middle of the screen, and that's when the phone is off. So it's not vibration motor because the phone is not vibrating. Earlier I thought it's some vibration or haptic feedback, but this is not. This is because the screen has some sort of flex and there is probably low support on the inside, which may cause problems. The phone may go bad. The structural strength of the phone is questionable because after a few months of usage, it may create some problems for users. So there is some sort of quality issue with these three units. That one is with me, one is with Ashwin, and one is with Geeky Ranjit. And these three units are all exhibiting same sort of problem. So there is some sort of quality issue with the flex in the screen, and there is something hollow inside the phone. That is a cause of concern, and you should make a note of it if you are planning to buy the LeEco Le2. I hope they fix it in their upcoming hardware, and I hope this problem should not remain. We'll contact the LeEco and we'll tell them about this, and probably they are also watching this video. So please make a note of this and fix it as soon as possible. This is all we have on this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up. For more videos, stay subscribed. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.